Hi friends, welcome to my channel Smart Living. Today we will discuss about the most profitable YouTube niches. First, let's know about YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting venture. Here are some general steps to help you get started. Choose your niche. Select a topic. 1. Choose your niche. Select a topic or niche that you are passionate about and that has an audience. To create a content plan your video content. Consistency is key, so create a schedule that you can realistically maintain. 3. Set up your channel. Create a YouTube account and set up your channel. Customize your channel with a unique profile picture, banner, and description. 4. Invest in quality equipment. Well, you don't need the most expensive equipment. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and lighting for better video and audio quality. 5. Create engaging content. Make videos that are informative, entertaining, or a combination of both. Pay attention to video and audio quality. 6. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. 7. Thumbnail and title design. Design attention-grabbing thumbnails and create compelling video titles. 8. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. 9. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media and collaborate with other YouTubers to increase your channel's visibility. 10. Monitor analytics. Keep an eye on your YouTube analytics to understand your audience, track growth, and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Remember that success on YouTube takes time, so be patient and stay committed to creating quality content. Now let's know about the most profitable YouTube niches. Profitability on YouTube can vary, but some popular niches include tech reviews, gaming, personal finance, health and fitness, and educational content. It's essential to choose a niche you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. Keep in mind that consistency, quality, and audience engagement are crucial for success. The most profitable YouTube niches. Some of the most profitable YouTube niches tend to be 1. Finance and investing. Content related to personal finance, investing tips, and money management. 2. Tech reviews and tutorials. Exploring and reviewing the latest gadgets, software, or providing tutorials. 3. Gaming. Content related to gaming, including gameplay, reviews, and tips. 4. Health and fitness. Fitness routines, healthy recipes, and wellness advice. 5. Education and online courses, tutorials, educational content, and skill development. 6. Beauty and fashion. Makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, and product reviews. 7. Travel, vlogs, destination reviews, and travel tips. 8. Cooking and baking. Remember, success on YouTube also depends on your content quality, consistency, and engaging with your audience. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and skills. Well, now let's know that how we earn on YouTube and how much can we earn from it. Earnings on YouTube vary widely and depend on several factors, including the number of views, the niche of your content, audience demographics, and the effectiveness of your monetization strategies. Here are some general points to consider. A 1AD revenue. YouTube pays creators through the YouTube Partner Program YPP, primarily through ad revenue. The amount you earn per view can vary, but it's typically a fraction of a cent. 2. Channel size. Larger channels with more subscribers and views generally have higher earning potential. 3. Monetization methods. In addition to ad revenue, creators can earn through other channels like channel memberships, super chat, during live streams, merchandise sales, and sponsored content. For niche, some niches attract higher paying advertisers, leading to higher CPMs cost per thousand views and potentially more revenue. It's challenging to provide specific numbers because earnings are highly individual. Many creators supplement their income from YouTube with other revenue streams like merchandise, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Successful YouTubers often diversify their income sources. Keep in mind that YouTube's policies and algorithms can change, affecting earnings and monetization eligibility. It's essential to focus on creating quality content and building a loyal audience for long-term success. Thank you so much for watching us. I really hope you like my content. If you do so, then don't forget to like this video and do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe for more. Take care. See you in next video.